Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to open Excel file in Mozilla Browser in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then I show the Excel document from the data. Now data from the SAP. Now from the PDF. Now going to the file menu option. Now click for the save as option. Now click for browse option. Then click for save as type. Now for click for the PDF option. Now click for save. That's it. This file, Excel file, is the Mozilla browser from the open. Now minimize from the now this file is from the open in the Mozilla browser. Now click for the mouse right button option. Then click for the open with option. Now click for the Firefox. That's it. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.